Are you ready for more drawing? Let's get back into those two planes, the foreground and the background, and see how we can play with color to create focus and a different story on our page. In this video I have tips and a fun 15-minute assignment for you. I'm using the same subject and the same materials as last week. A small Hahnemühle watercolor sketchbook, a Uni-ball rollerball pen which has waterproof black ink, my watercolors and a Waterbrush pen. If you missed last week's video, I'm adding a link to it in the description of this video, so you can watch it next. I start drawing my still life right away, taking the same approach as last week. Remember, I said we don't need to overthink our subject or materials? Using the same materials makes for one decision less to make, so you can start right away. I learned a bit from last week's drawing. I had started a bit too high on the page, so there wasn't much space left for adding the background. So I'm drawing the foreground lower on the page this time and maybe a little bit smaller. I'm drawing my foreground still life shape by shape, drawing some of the texture of the fruits along the way, not thinking about shadows and shading, just shapes and texture. This time I'm drawing lines to describe the checkered napkin, and I'm following the curves of the napkin of the shape with my line, just like I did last week with my red paint. Now I have my foreground. So I'll move over to the next plane, the background. The music instruments will now fit a bit better on my page, although the long necks of the guitar and the banjo will run off the page, which I think is kind of nice. The eye will finish the shape. You don't need to describe every single thing. Just like last week, I'm adding some details and texture, drawing around the instruments until the page is filled. This time I add more texture and some darker bits. That's about 10 minutes of drawing and I'm ready to add color. We often think we need a lot of time to make a drawing, but I recently heard artist and sketcher Isabel Carmona say, time is relative. If you don't have much time and go for it anyway, you'll have a sketch. Which is so true. She also said 3 minutes is a lifetime for drawing actually. So if you don't have an hour to draw, do it in 10 minutes. You got this. I'm mixing Van Dyke Brown with indigo for a nice gray wash, which I use only for the shadows in the background. I can't be bothered to wait for the paint to dry, so I dive in right away, adding color to the items. While I'm painting, let me give you an assignment. Set a timer for 15 minutes and draw a still life from your surroundings. Don't overthink it. Any of the stuff in front of you can be a still life. Use the same materials as last week and keep it simple. The first 10 minutes draw your scene, then 5 minutes for adding a selective wash of color to just one area, background this time. And let the color do the storytelling. Where you put it changes the whole vibe of the drawing. If you join my community on Patreon, you get access to our private chat on Discord where you can share your drawing and experiences, and I would love to see them. If the colors bleed into each other more than you would like while you are working wet in wet, you can gently dab it with a tissue. I'm leaving the foreground without any color. This way the same scene gets a different emphasis and vibe, and the story has changed slightly. Color puts emphasis on things. It's good to know that whenever you wonder what your drawing needs next, it might be focus or emphasis, and you choose where to put it. I'm looking at the colors that I see and filling the background with a few layers of paint, mostly wet in wet, so I don't need to wait for the paint to dry. That was 5 minutes on top of the 10 minutes of drawing. 15 minutes is all you need for a drawing that describes a moment that's in a place and in a time of your life. Everything is interesting when you draw it, and life is better when you draw it. And if you're not convinced about that just yet, then get my book. It has this very same title. I will put the link in the description below. Have fun with the assignment today, and I also really hope to see you on Patreon.